Gamers, just when you thought controllers had peaked, Flydigi shows up with something unexpected. Meet the Vader 5 Pro, the next evolution in competitive handheld precision. This isn't just a redesign, it's a re-engineered weapon built for speed, customization, and control. And if the Vader 4 Pro impressed you, this new upgrade takes things to a whole new level. At first glance, the Vader 5 Pro feels familiar, keeping Flydigi's recognizable layout with ABXY buttons and the extra C and Z inputs. But look closer. The textured anti-slip rubber grip, refined body shape, and sleek black and gold finish give it a premium esports-ready feel. Oh, and yes, the RGB light strip is still here, because performance shouldn't mean boring. Customization is where the Vader 5 Pro takes a serious leap. The asymmetrical thumbsticks still feature force-adjustable tension, letting you tighten or loosen them depending on gameplay style. But the real game changer? The redesigned vibration triggers. Flydigi has replaced the previous system with a new lever-based spring mechanism to enhance feedback accuracy, making every press responsive, controlled, and incredibly smooth. Two new shoulder buttons, LM and RM, expand your input options. And like the Xbox Elite controller, the M3 and M4 back paddles are fully detachable, giving you flexibility depending on how competitive you want to get. Flydigi says the Vader 5 Pro also boosts wireless performance with latency reduced to just 4 milliseconds. That's fast. Fast enough to matter in clutch moments where every input counts. Multi-device compatibility means you can switch between platforms seamlessly, whether you're gaming on PC, console, or mobile. Another nice touch? The redesigned charging dock. No cables, no hassle. Just drop it in place and power up. The Vader 5 Pro is currently priced at around 429 yuan, roughly $60 or 52 euros, making it one of the most competitively priced premium controllers on the market. So, is the Vader 5 Pro the next go-to controller for competitive gaming? Early impressions suggest Flydigi is raising the bar, blending customization, performance, and ergonomic polish into a package that's hard to ignore. If the global release follows, this could shake up the gaming accessory market again. Thanks for watching. If you love deep dives into the latest gaming hardware, hit like, subscribe, and tell us, would you pick the Vader 5 Pro over an Elite controller or DualSense Edge? Let's talk in the comments.